How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. So listen up, guys. We have to break down SoFi right now because, like the entire stock market, SoFi is currently in the red. We're going to go over the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, maybe some other stocks later in the video. But first, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're so close to 50,000 subs, guys, and get your stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So, guys, we're almost in power hour right now. It's about 2:45 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have SoFi starting to break out heading into close, but we're still down about 2%, trading at $14.60. And guys, we hit a low at $14.33 earlier in the day. That was at about what, 12:30 on the East Coast here. So we took out the lows from yesterday with that down move by a long shot too. I mean, yesterday we hit what, 1470, and today we hit 1433. So we broke right through yesterday's lows. And from Monday, now that I'm looking at it, and you know, it looks like the rally we got from 1375, excuse me, guys, that was a pump fake. It looks like we went from 1375 to about 1550. We tried breaking out there, but we failed. Now we're back under the moving averages. We have a death cross, not the best sign here, technically speaking. And if we pull up this 30-minute chart, well, we're still very much so in a downtrend on this time frame. Not much really here has changed, right? I mean, if I draw this trend line, you guys see it. We're putting in lower highs, and at this point, man, we're trying to rally heading into close. You guys see it on the intraday. We're trying to. I mean, we also have some inverse head and shoulders action here on the intraday. That's bullish in the short term, but man, in the grand scheme of things, we're going to have to get out of this trend line, which, I don't know. It's not showing signs of it doing that quite yet. We're going to have to just be patient. And that's the thing, man. When you're trading stocks, looking at stocks, analyzing stocks, a lot of it requires patience, especially if you're into technicals, you know, waiting for the right setups. It's all patience, right? So at this point, we could really go either way. I mean, what is this, guys? This is a wedge. We're making the lower highs we talked about, but at the same time, higher lows as well. 1375, 1415. Here, we held 1430. Even though we took the lows out from yesterday, we still are holding a higher low here, you know, compared to what we held back on the 2nd of this month. So I like the way it looks here. It's not the end of the world, obviously. In the grand scheme of things, we're still bullish on the stock. The charts are still bullish on the larger time frames, but man, we're going to have to pick direction, right? Do we break out of these moving averages, start going 15, 16 bucks again? Really, I want to see it break over 16. Or do we fall through 1375, which then it could really start slipping even more. And that's probably where I would buy more SoFi. I mean, I think I've mentioned that before here on the channel, guys, but I would probably buy more if it were to get into the $10 to $12 range again. I would consider dollar cost averaging a little bit more at that level. We'll see, though. Of course, we'll do more updates, so make sure to subscribe here on YouTube. We're so close to 50,000 subscribers, guys. It's nuts. I mean, the channel growth in the last year has been ridiculous. I mean, I've been doing YouTube on this channel since, I think, 2018, 17. And, you know, I would always get like 500 subscribers a month, whatever it may be. You know, some months were like 100, 200. I mean, it's been you know, it was a slow grind, right? But now we're like 2, 3, 4,000 subscribers a month. The channel growth is through the roof. And really, That's because of you guys. I can't thank you enough. Again, like I said, we're almost at 50K. It's unbelievable. And the work does not stop there. The grind doesn't stop there. The journey does not stop, guys, because guess what? We're going for 100,000 subscribers. It's got a pretty good ring to it. 100,000, that's the ultimate goal, for the channel. I appreciate you guys. Again, as always, the support through the years has been amazing. So let me break down some other stocks right now that I'm looking at. I mean, obviously, Sofi is always at the top of my watch list. Other ones we talk about on the channel as well, NVIDIA, Palantir, right? These are always at the top of my watch list, but there's some that we don't talk about too much that I'm watching very closely now as well. Really, Adobe, guys. Adobe is one that I'm eyeing up a ton right now. I mean, I'm not, buying it yet, but the fact that, the fact that we broke through the lows from June about 6-7 months ago, we hit, where did we hit? That's 7 months ago now. We hit 435. The fact that we fell through that after testing it in the end of December and consolidating into the new year, we then fell through it. That goes to show that there's selling pressure at that support. Bears have an edge now. We hit 415. It means we might go lower. Really, that's what it means, right? So we're down again about 0.25% on Adobe today. And if we pull up the 3-year chart, I believe, actually, was it the max chart? Yeah, maybe the max chart. Either way, this is where Adobe could be playing. Literally, if we break through, where are we now? $420. If we break through 400, let's say, whatever, man, I don't think it's going to go all the way down to 275, 280. Maybe it does if we have a crazy bear market in the overall stock market. But for now, I don't think it's going to go to 280. But if it plays anywhere in this window and starts going down 350, 375, I might be adding a new stock to the portfolio, guys. And it's been a minute. It's been a while since I've bought a new stock. I mean, I buy existing stocks I have all the time, right? I own like 10, 15 stocks, couple ETFs. I buy those, but it's been a long time since I've added a new holding. I can't even remember. I mean, it might have been like close to a year, or maybe not a year, but like 8 months. I forget. But Adobe's getting there for me. It is. And I want to do a more in-depth video on the company. And I've covered it before on this channel. I mean, guys, I've been doing YouTube videos here for like 6-7 years. I have Adobe videos. And I've always mentioned how I've wanted to own the stock. And it's just one that I've never bought. And yes, I can go and buy it any day. But it's never been at the valuation I wanted at. And, the price is starting to get to a point where now I'm like, ooh, maybe it might be time to start a little position, especially under 400. We'll see, though. We'll see. I mean, maybe not. I don't know. I didn't do it yet. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated. But Adobe's definitely on the cards for 2025 early in the year. It's a great company. Products are great. I don't know. We're going to do more research into it. But that's what's going on with Adobe. Let's see. What else on my watch list am I really eyeing up here? Let's see. I mean, like I said, man, it's been months since I've added a new stock to my long-term portfolios. Obviously, in my trading account, it's different. But long-term stocks, it's been a while. Let's see. GameStop's down, although I'm not considering buying GameStop. Oh, actually, wait. CrowdStrike. Almost forgot, man. That might be literally the last stock or the last new position I added to my portfolio. It might be CrowdStrike. Yeah, I think that's what it is because it crashed in July. Remember, IT outage. I bought, I think, around 235 initially, and then I bought more at like 248, 250, whatever. And here we are now. And before that, now I'm remembering it was AMD. I bought AMD, I think about 2-3 months maybe before I bought CrowdStrike, and AMD is actually, I was looking at my one portfolio earlier. I'm down 16% on AMD, guys. So that's the official, what I'm down right now. But yeah, I mean, that's, I think, my only red position. I mean, we're obviously in a roaring bull market. So, you shouldn't have many red positions at this point, especially if you've been investing for a while. But yeah, on newer positions, you can have red positions for sure. And AMD is one of them for me. I mean, clearly, look at the chart. I mean, guys, the stock's been tanking for months at this point. I actually just bought more a couple days ago. And yeah, trying to bring that average cost down to like $130, $35. That would be ideal. So let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and my second channel. I have another channel, Stas Talks Money. It's linked down below. We do personal finance reactions on that channel. And we're actually doing pretty well there. We're getting some views, decent views, right? Different kind of content. So check it out if you guys are interested, and get your stocks from Moomoo. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.